Welcome to our video today. We are going to be looking at our text to give or text to donate functionality, which is run by this give chatbot right here. So from the chatbots area, you just go to the give chatbot. If you do not have this chatbot, go into the chatbot templates and scroll down to the donations section here, and you can click on add it to all three of these chatbots here. All right, and that process will import those chatbots into the system for you. Then you just come back to your chatbot area and let's open up the bot. Okay, so to start with, you've got the actual keyword. So that's the word that someone is going to text to your dedicated number when they want to make a donation. I'm going to double click on that. So that's where you can set the keyword right there. So whether you use give or donate or some other word that is pertinent to the campaign that you're running, you can specify that right there. All right, so the next thing that happens here is the system is going to check to see if the person has entered a donation amount. So the person, for example, could text in give space amount. So give space 20 or 50 or whatever. And if the person does do that, it checks that here and it will go immediately to the confirmation prompt. Your company name is going to be there. Give, let's use 20. So give 20, please reply yes or no. And if they do not specify an amount up front, it will go to this prompt over here where it prompts the user to enter how much they would like to give. And then once they reply there, then it's going to go to the confirmation. So once we're at the confirmation, it's yes or no. If they say yes, it's going to continue on with the process. If they say no, it's going to go down here and cancel the donation. Now, we've got two options that you can use or not use. Number one, have a fund designation. So it can ask you, like, for example, right here, where would you like to designate your gifts? You can have a list of funds. If you're a charitable organization like a church, you can have like a building fund, a general fund, a missions fund, that kind of thing. If you're another organization, then you can have various funds where your users can designate those funds to. So you can, if you want to use that functionality, by default it's turned off. You can just reroute this yes response right here. All right. And the next piece of functionality is recurring donations. So again, you can prompt the user, hey, would you like this to be recurring, yes or no? If they say yes, it's going to prompt them over here to choose a frequency, weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, or cancel the donation. So you can either use one or both or none of those options. So by default, it is using none. So I'll route the yes reply directly to the confirmation, the actual processing of the donation. So what happens here, if the user's been through the system at least one time, then the system will have their credit card information already. And when they confirm that they want to make the donation, the system will just process the donation and send them their receipt. If there's no credit card information there, at this prompt here, the system is going to send them back a link where they can click on the link, update their profile, and then complete the transaction, which will have those funds deposited in your Stripe account. So that's how that process works, and I am going to actually I was going to show you. I'll show you the process in another video. But after the donation is complete, it will go to this thank you prompt. Just thank you for your donation. Helps us continue supporting those in need of housing in our community. You can customize that and make it your own and do what you want to do with that last prompt there. So that is how that prompt works. If you need any assistance customizing this prompt, this chatbot, then by all means just reach out to our technical support department and we can help you with that.